Hey everyone, check this out. In just 10 minutes, you can create a fully working AI educational assistant. Students ask questions and it answers instantly. And the best part? We're gonna build it step by step together. Right now, here's the thing, lots of students waste tons of time searching for the right info. The fix? A smart platform that gives them a subject-specific assistant that responds instantly and makes learning way faster and easier. And the plan is super simple, just 3 steps. Open the platform and add a new assistant for the subject and level you want. Customize the teaching style and share the assistant link. And boom, students can start using it right away. That's it. In no time, you've got a ready-to-use AI assistant for any student. Okay guys, so let's check out where the magic happens Agent 3 inside Replit. All right, let's go ahead and log in. Boom, we're in. And here's where we actually get to play around. So right in the middle, we've got this prompt box where we tell the AI what to build. But before we type anything in, let me show you around a bit. Over here on the left, you can see a whole menu, your apps, published apps, integrations, usage details. And right down here at the bottom, you can even track your usage quota, like how many free apps you've already created, what percentage of your agent minutes you've used up, and all that kind of info. Now we're ready to enter our project prompt and watch Agent 3 in action. Alright guys, here's something I really like. You can learn how to customize your app's look inside Replit. First, theming. When you click Manage Themes, you can see how to create a theme from scratch, with full control over colors, fonts, backgrounds, and the overall app look. You can also see how to quickly adjust branding, change button colors, tweak backgrounds, and edit text. The theme can be saved, kept private, or shared in the library. When you're done, if you want, you can click Publish to Theme Library. Now it's time for the fun part, actually starting the build. Paste the prompt into the designated box, and this is how we'll start guiding Agent 3 to build the app step by step. So I'm gonna hit Start Chat, and right away, Agent 3 kicks in and begins creating our app. The first step it takes us to is this Plan and Build section. By default, it drops us into Plan. What that means is Agent 3 is laying out a roadmap for how it's going to build the app. So you can see it. It literally says, I'll help you create a comprehensive web platform for AI educational assistance. Let me first search for relevant integrations to enhance the functionality, and then it even starts pulling in integrations that make sense. Here's the nice part. You can actually edit the plan. So if you want to change something like a different setup, you can do that. And then at the bottom, you get 2 options. Build the entire app directly. This lets Agent 3 go full autopilot and build it end to end. Start with a design. This works if you already have a wireframe idea. You can upload that, and the agent will build based on your design. Alright guys, I hit the Start Build button, and suddenly, look at this screen. Agent 3 started working immediately. The first thing you'll notice, it's not just sitting there. It's already creating design guidelines and planning how the project should work. It's building as we speak. Let me explain this screen. On the side, you have your chat history. There's also a button to view the files being created in real time. And at the top, this is really cool. You have an Invite Collaborator button. Imagine you and your friends all working on this education platform. You can interact with the agent, add new prompts, and even make changes while it's building. Multiplayer app building, guys. How cool is that? Now, while the agent is busy figuring out the next steps, let me show you some of its new superpowers. Right here we've got App Testing Agent 3 can run autonomous tests to verify your app's functionality. It spins up the app, clicks around, checks features, and flags or fixes issues automatically. High autonomy at this level, the agent not only executes task lists, but also reviews code changes, fixes issues it finds, and expands its review scope across the entire app. It's a strong balance of independence without going fully hands-off. Max autonomy unlocks the agent's ability to plan and complete new work entirely on its own. It runs non-stop for extended sessions, up to 200 minutes, making it ideal for building and debugging larger apps. So yeah guys, Agent 3 is not just coding, it's thinking, testing, and fixing on the fly. And we're about to see it build our education platform step by step. Okay guys, check this out. We actually have a live preview already. Like, this isn't just code in the background anymore, this is our app taking shape right in front of us. You can see the first draft of the interface, and it's running live. That's insane. And here Agent 3 is prompting us, to enable AI chat, I need your OpenAI key. I really like this step because it keeps you in the loop. The agent does the heavy lifting, but when something sensitive like an API key is needed, it pauses and asks you to provide it. A perfect balance between automation and security. So let's do this together. I'm hopping over to the OpenAI website, heading to my account, and creating a brand new secret key. I'll call this one Replit Project, just to keep things organized. Boom, copy that key, click Done, and head back into Replit. Now I'll paste the key into the environment variables, hit Continue, and just like that, it's saved. Agent 3 can now connect our assistants to the OpenAI brain. So yeah guys, in just a couple minutes we've gone from nothing to a live preview of our education platform, fully connected to OpenAI. That's just wild. Now it's showing me a message to upgrade, because I've used up all the free trial while testing. I added some features and fixed others, but that's okay. My website is done, and everything worked perfectly. Alright guys, buckle up because this is where Agent 3 shows off its real power. It's not just building the app, it's actually testing it, all by itself. So what it's doing right now is spinning up a browser instance, like a real one, and running through the app just like an actual user would. Oh my god, look at this. You can literally see the agent clicking around on the dashboard, checking that the features are working. For example, it just clicked on New Assistant and automatically started filling out the form, typing a name like Physics Tutor Pro, selecting a subject or domain, adding system instructions, writing the description, and choosing the personality traits. The assistant is fully created without any human intervention. Now, the most exciting part. The agent tests the chat first to make sure the API is working correctly, then enters a question and hits send. And here's the big surprise. The answer appears instantly. Completely correct. Now I'll create a new assistant and call it Language Helper. This will be our personal advisor for education and learning. I'll set the subject, choose the level, and pick a teaching style. Before creating it, I prepared a system, prompt a description of what this assistant does. I can even check the option to personality traits. Now I'm just going to hit the Create Assistant button. And boom, our math helper is live and ready to go. This way, whenever a student asks a question, the assistant can respond with context. Now we've got a brand new language helper assistant in our dashboard. Right now it's idle, no chats yet, so let's test it. I'm starting a new chat, I give it the question. Guys, this is amazing. We've basically just created a working AI community advisor that runs smoothly. Alright guys, another quick tip for you. If you want to share this with someone, you can click the share button. That will let you copy the link. Once you've copied it, just open your browser, paste the link into the address bar, and hit enter. You'll be taken directly to the chat. It's super easy and a great way to make sure you can share it with friends. Also, you can change the theme of your app. Just click on the theme button, and from there, you can adjust the background colors, button colors, and more. Once you're happy with your changes, just hit save, and all your updates will be applied to the app instantly. And here's the cool part. In the reports section, you can see student activity results, including the student name, subject, last activity, progress percentage, total messages, and sessions. You can even filter this list to find exactly what you need. Now here's the really cool part. When you click the Save CSV button, it downloads directly to your computer. I'll open it, and you'll see all the students from the table in this file. You can even edit it if you want. And when you click Save PDF, you'll get the same table. Super handy. Okay, so when you're ready to publish your app, just click on the Publish button and follow the steps. The system will guide you through everything, from setting up the app details to confirming the final version. Once you finish, your app will be live and ready for anyone to access. Super exciting. But here's another cool part. You can also change the format of your app depending on the device or screen you want it to look perfect on. There's a full list of options to choose from, like iPhone, Samsung, and more. For example, I'll choose Samsung and check this out. Everything works perfectly in that format too. The layout adjusts, the buttons fit just right, and all your design choices stay intact. This way, you can make sure your app looks amazing on any device before sharing it with others. Now let's move on to the final part of the video, turning our app into an Android mobile app. In this part, we're going to convert it into an APK file that you can download and install on your phone. So to do that, just click the link below and it'll take you to the Appilix website. This is the website which is going to help us convert a web application into an Android mobile app. Here, click on Continue with Google. Enter your web address here. So let's copy the link from Replit and paste it here. Now, enter your app's name. Then click Create App. Choose a free plan. Now, let's set up the app settings. Click on App Info here. From there, you can add your app's logo. Just click Choose Logo. Select the logo from your device, and once it's uploaded, hit Save Changes. If you want the logo to appear when users open your app, go to Splash Screen, choose your logo. And once you've finished customizing everything, click Build and Download. Then check the box to verify the CAPTCHA. Finally, click Build the app. And just like that, your app is ready to download. To get the APK file, click here and it will start downloading. And once it's done, install it on your phone and see how it looks. And there you go. Our web app is now fully transformed into an Android mobile app. This is exactly how it looks. So there you have it. We've successfully turned our app into a mobile app. Now, I'm going to put it to the test by creating a brand new assistant. I'll click the Create New Assistant button, carefully fill in all the required information, double-check everything, and then hit Create Assistant. And that's it. Just like that, the new assistant is created perfectly, ready to use, and working exactly as expected. It's amazing to see how fast and seamless the whole process is. So if you've been thinking about building something with AI but didn't know where to start, this is your chance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI builds, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll be hanging out there and answering as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.